Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your music and clips into Capcut Pc and creating a new timeline. This gets everything ready. Enable snapping so clips latch to beats, and zoom the timeline until you can see waveform peaks clearly. Once done, play the track and mark obvious downbeats with the marker tool. You'll use these anchors to align cuts. Make sure to set the project ratio now because it affects clip scaling. This first pass saves time and prevents rework later. Now walk through the music and add markers at every strong beat using M. This creates visual anchors for syncing. Drag each clip so its intended action aligns with a marker, trim the head or tail, and use ripple delete to close gaps. If a clip needs to span multiple beats, nudge it frame by frame for sub-beat precision. Capcut's arrow keys help. For tempo shifts, add markers across that section and retime clips, or use speed adjustments so finish by playing the sync sequence and watching in real time. Listen for mismatches and use small trims or speed ramps to lock hits. Apply 0. 5 or 2x speed changes sparingly to force visual alignment, then smooth with a short crossfade if needed. Once it looks tight, export a short test file at the project sample rate to verify audio-video sync in another player. If the sync is off, check your markers and audio sample rate first. Reapply markers only where necessary and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.